Nathan Gray and Isaiah Rae, zooming cars on a sunny day. Tracks on the floor like a winding maze. Their laughter fills the room with rays. Vroom, vroom they go, side by side. They know Nathan and Isaiah, cousins in sync. Their bond is tighter than you'd think. Isaiah shouts,
"Here comes a race."
Nathan grins,
"I'll take first place."
the cars collide, they fall, they laugh.
Two happy kids, no need for a map.
Rolling wheels, a trumpet's cheer. Simos crash as joy draws near.